What's up everybody, it's Mr. DS18 and today we're going to talk about the DS18 Infinite Lithium batteries. On the table we have two different models. We have the LTI 9KA and the LTI 4.5KA. Two different batteries with a lot of power. What are they made out of? High density plastics in our own DS18 tooling. What's inside? The latest generation on lithium cells. These are lipo cells of 8 ampere hours, 3.2 volts. This battery has 40 of them, this has 80 of them. So here we have a test of the 4.5KA with 320 amperes and a time lapse of 15 minutes, which is equal as 80 amperes per hour. How they connected inside? With high conductivity materials. Stronger than aluminum, better than aluminum. The results all combined, we got 80 ampere hours and 160 ampere hours all together. So that being said, we did some demo testing in our vehicle and we replaced with one of these batteries 8 PC220s and the performance and results were better than before. Not only that, the weight factor, wow, we took over 800 pounds off the truck and just added 79 pounds. Size, well here we have 20 by 11 by 7. On this one, we have 16 by 7 by 7. So having enough space for two of these, Diego has decided to add a second battery to take this truck to the next level. Another cool function these batteries have is the fast recovery. When we were testing this battery out, we dropped it down to 11 volts and quickly went back to 13. Rest mode, these batteries can rest from 13.3 up to 13.6. That means you'll get better performance and better power out of your sound system. Crank power, this battery can go up to 4,500 amps. This one could go up to 9,000 amps. That's because of the new technology cells and the high conductivity materials built in. Another cool function these batteries have are the charging ports, which are the ones here in the middle. These charging ports have built-in BMS modules, which allows you to use any charging device necessary to maintain these batteries optimally. If you have a high-powered output alternator, we recommend you to use the side ports. This way, you won't damage the battery and get the best performance out. So there you guys have it, the DS18 Infinite Lithium batteries. Two models available, the LTI 9KA and the LTI 4.5KA. For any more information on DS18, please visit our website, ds18.com. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.